All right, welcome to the channel. So, why crypto is pumping and the reasons, I'm going to give you 4 or 5 of them, and you might be aware of some of them, but there's a lot of things that are starting to come together at one single time. And will crypto go parabolic soon? We're going to have that discussion in this video as well. So, if you do 2 things for me, I appreciate it. Hit that like button below, hit that subscribe button. The subscribe button here on YouTube just means you want to follow my content. It's free, so give me a subscribe if you would. All right. If you're watching this over on X, give me a follow over there. I would greatly appreciate it. All right. So 2,330,000,000,000 up 2%. We are entering into our fourth day of positive movement of green numbers in that position. We've added over about 250 billion to 300 billion dollars in market capitalization. You can see the money coming back in. You can see the sentiment starting to turn positive. I'm on X a lot, Twitter a lot, every single day. And you can see the momentum is starting to kind of build. People are getting excited about crypto again. This is, I think, Pumptober, just delivered a little bit late. I think the reason we didn't go up at the very first part of the month of October, quite frankly, was the Israel-Iran war conflict. That put a damper on things. I think it scared people a lot. But let's talk about what's going on right now and why crypto is moving up. Okay. So Bitcoin finally breaching 67,000. In fact, it's went up and it is actually gone over 68,000. You can see right here, it has hit $68,375 in the last 24-hour period. That is good news. Why Bitcoin's moving up? Well, let's call it what it is, right? So we've got ETFs now. I think yesterday it did over $2 billion. It's with a B, $2 billion of positive inflows. That happened yesterday. And I believe the day before that, it was about 1.5 billion. So what does that mean? That means that people that want to be in crypto, they want to be in Bitcoin, but they don't want to have, they don't really understand it enough and want to own their own Bitcoin on an exchange or things like that. They buy via these Bitcoin ETFs, right? These are traditional finance investors. And you're seeing that is mainstream kind of United States, mainstream the world that want to be in crypto, and they feel like buying these ETFs is the easy way to do it. But what you need to know is that is a class of people, an investment class that traditionally has never been in crypto, and you're seeing billions of dollars inflow, positive sentiment, right? Okay. The other thing we've got going on is, I believe, the growing U.S. election. We're getting close, November 5th. So we're basically 3 weeks away from that. Trump's extended odds are looking good. This is via polymarket.com, which is free to use, by the way, if you want to go to polymarket.com. This is showing that Trump overwhelmingly is winning the perception or the perceived he's going to win, right? He's at 59.5. Kamala Harris is at 40%. And this has been going up dramatically. And then they give you the state breakdown. Okay. And so that is something that's there. And I think part of the reason is that, Trump is very pro Bitcoin, publicly stated it many, many times. He stated he's going to fire Gensler, the head of the SEC here in the United States, after he takes office. All of these things, are part and parcel of this. The other factor kind of shifting, which I'll get to just in a minute, is the Bitcoin halving, right? So let's take a look at that here in just a minute. But again, we've got the market moving up, and kind of give you a couple of different perspectives of this. This is Bitcoin. This is the chart. The last 5 days up 12.3%. By the way, that momentum up, that is my trading indicator that has been over $10,000 developing. I use it every single day. I use it to trade. It gives you the exact time to know when to buy and when to sell any and all crypto. There's 5 days up 12%. Notice we've not had a sell alert, and that is the momentum down alert. Okay, give me a couple of others. Like, let me show you this. This is pretty cool. If you come over to here and resort on the 7-day, like you see this one, Athena, Inya right there. So Inna, I always say Inna. Look, in the last 5 days, up 52%. There's a buy alert. My software perfectly said it's the right time to buy Inna. And look, here's another one back here, buy, and then a sell, 73%. To give you some perspective, if you had bought $1,000 on that buy alert and then sold it, you would have made over $734 in profit off of $1,000 investment. Yeah. So this one right here, you can see that buy, and we've not had a sell yet. 51%, $2,000 bought, you would have made over $1,100 in profit. So links are in the description below. If you want to check out my trading indicator, it's a 30-day, no questions asked money back guarantee. You can use it anywhere in the world. It runs on any mobile device. I use it on my iPhone, smartphones. You can use it on. It runs on any computer, and there's a 30-day, no questions asked. There's a discount code down there. The quarterly option is the best. Give it a look. Okay. So the other thing I wanted to share with you, reason why the market's pumping, is I mentioned we've got the Bitcoin halving. So the Bitcoin halving happened back in April. This is a halving year. If you go back and look at historically 2020, which is the halving year, 2016, which was a halving year, you see months where October, November, December, massive gains in those respective months. Okay. There's indicators and calls for Bitcoin to go to $150,000 somewhere by the mid to end of Q1 of 2025. That's more than a 2x from where we're at right now. Okay. And again, I talk about Bitcoin, but remember, Bitcoin leads the entire market. It is 57% of the entire crypto market capitalization is Bitcoin. So I always kind of talk about Bitcoin, but then I wrap it around the fact that if you own any and other blue chip assets, that's good too, because they will raise, they will lift. The big altcoin run will probably happen towards the middle end of Q4 and into Q1. It follows a little bit behind Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes first, Ethereum goes second, along with altcoins, and then meme coins. Now I'm going to throw those in, are there as well. Meme coins are a good barometer of retail investing dollars. The entire meme coin space is a $55 billion marketplace, just meme coins alone. So it is a market to not be ignored. Okay. So I'm just giving you kind of a walk around the park, but that's why crypto is pumping. US election, looking like Trump has got a sizable lead. We'll see how that plays out because he's pro crypto. That's the reason. We've got the Bitcoin halving scenario playing out. We've got the Iran Israel war quiet, if you will, and we got Bitcoin ETF inflows. So capital's coming back in, mainstream kind of other people that are not in crypto every single day are looking to invest. A lot of good positive sentiment. And oh, by the way, people are not as scared anymore right now. So that's what I got. Thanks. I'll see you later. Bye.